How to use DeepAI. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use DeepAI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on DeepAI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is DeepAI, it is an all-in-one creative AI platform and generative tools service that lets users create and interact with artificial intelligence directly in the browser or via APIs. Originally launched with one of the first browser-based text-to-image generators, and DeepAI has since expanded to offer a wide range of AI-powered capabilities, including image generation and editing, AI-assisted that short video creation, music composition, voice chat, and other AI tools that serve both hobbyists and professional alike. To create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also start entering here or navigating the chat, image, video, or music. And by navigating this chat option, it is essentially an AI-powered conversational tool built into a platform that lets you interact with artificial intelligence using natural language. For example, I'm going to enter here, create a prompt to have a magical dog with wings. Now upon clicking start chatting button, you should be able to be directed on the page where you can also start seeing the result. But as you can see, it is currently generating image, even you're just asking for a prompt to it. So this shows how advanced this deep AI is. Now aside from this, you could also ask this deep AI for this image generator to create image from text prompt. So basically from here, all you need to do is simply describe the image that you want for AI to create for you. And after that, you can even choose preferences like style or quality, and the AI generates an image based on that prompt right in your browser or via API. And the service supports multiple quality modes, including standard HD and Super Genius for progressively higher and detailed resolution. So for instance, I'm going to enter here an avatar with green eyes and blue skin with huge ears. You could also click the generate button or even choose a model first and preferences as well. You can even choose or select a variety of style in here depending on your preferences. So let's say I'm going to choose in all of this one. Again, we're going to start by entering here another kind of prompt for this DPA to create for us. So as you can see, I just enter a prompt to create an avatar with blue eyes and brown hair, male, and white. After choosing the model preferences and also the style, just click the generate button to start creating the image in AI. Now after that, this is basically what it looks like. So all of these are created using the prompt, model, and even the preferences that we choose. You can even start downloading the image if you want to, or even regenerate it if you're not satisfied with the result. Moving on, this AI video generator, you can enter the text to create a video and even image to make a video. However, you need to have a premium account or at least some deal plan to purchase in order to navigate and use this AI video generator. You just simply need to subscribe monthly for it. You can simply enter the duration, select the kind of mode, and even the video shape. So all of these are pretty much accessible under this AI image to video generator. And as you can see, you can simply choose here or click any of the sample and it will show you the possibility that you could also do upon making a video using these features, where it will let users create a short videos using artificial intelligence from simple inputs like text description and still images. Moving on to this music. This tool uses AI also to create original music and audio tracks from simple user prompts, letting you describe the kind of sound you want, such as the mood, style, or purpose, and then generating a custom composition for you. And which it is designed to help creators quickly produce background music, sound effects, and tracks without needing traditional music. However, you should have also have signed in your account to use this and also purchase some of the plan that they offer. And again, the output is generated based on your description, and DeepAI provides the limited number of free generations per month, with additional or higher volume usage available through its Pro subscription or credit system. This is basically some of the plan that they offer monthly and yearly. So you can also subscribe depending on your preferences as well, and also to your needs. They even have here this AI photo editor that you can edit using AI by simply describing what you want to do with the image that you already uploaded in here. So basically, the purpose of this deep AI is to make an advanced artificial intelligence accessible, simple, and practical for everyday users, creators, and developers, in which it aims to democratize AI by providing easy-to-use tools that allow people to generate images, music, videos, and text as well as to interact with AI through chat without requiring technical or programming expertise. And overall, that is just how you can use deep AI. Thank you.